In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Duhaney Park Primary won and decided to send Stella Maris Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Stella Maris Prep. Bible knowledge. When Job was sick, how many friends gave him advice?
Three.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Duhaney Park. When Job was sick, which of his relatives told him to curse God and die?
His wife.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, a visual question. Stella Maris, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Vladimir Putin.
Incorrect. Delroy Williams, former mayor of Kingston. Duhaney Park, Jamaican Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
William J.C. Hutchinson.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Science. Stella Maris, which type of soil is composed mostly of sand and silt and a small amount of clay?
Loam.
Correct. Duhaney Park, science. What type of soil is fine-grained and is combined with traces of metal oxides and organic matter?
Desert soil.
Incorrect. Clay. Television, a visual question. Stella Maris, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Robert Williams.
Incorrect. Danny Glover. Television, a visual question. Duhaney Park, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Delroy Slowly.
Incorrect. Idris Elba. English language. Stella Maris, does the word audacious mean bold, worried, or wicked?
Bold.
Correct. English language. For you, Duhaney Park, does the word calamity mean accidental, disaster, or suspicious?
Disaster.
That's right. Stella Maris, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Bamboo Thompson.
Incorrect. Andre Blake, Jamaican goalkeeper. Sports, Duhaney Park, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Khadija Shaw.
Jamaican footballer. That's correct. General knowledge, Stella Maris. What are the primary colors of pigment?
Blue, yellow, and red.
Blue, yellow, and red.
Correct. General knowledge, Duhaney Park. What are the secondary colors of pigment?
Blue, yellow, green.
Incorrect. Orange, green, and purple. Social studies, Stella Maris. How many parish council divisions are there in Jamaica?
14.
Incorrect. 228. Social studies, Duhaney Park. In Jamaica, how many persons comprise both the upper and lower houses of parliament?
61.
Incorrect. 84. Stella Maris, music. What is another name for the 32nd note?
Demi-semi-quaver.
That's right. Duhaney Park, music. What is another name for the crotchet?
The quarter note.
Incorrect. The 1/8 note. Mathematics. Stella Maris, what is 4/7 plus 3/4 as a mixed number in its lowest terms? Your time has passed. Would you like to try Duhaney Park?
No, thank you.
1 and 13/24. Now time for your math question, Duhaney Park. What is 1/3 plus 7/8 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
One and 5/24.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Stella Maris Prep on 5 and Duhaney Park Primary also on 5. So it's a tie. Now before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Never drink any liquid from a bottle which does not have a label or which is already opened. If in doubt, speak to your parent, guardian, teacher, or a responsible adult. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.